Hi there creative souls! Are you ready to create a delicious Instagram post that will make your followers crave for something yummy? In today's video, we are going to design a mouth-watering Instagram post template for a cookie product using Canva. And trust me, it's going to be so easy even if you are new to graphic design. Welcome back to Din Studio. I'm Zaki, your go-to place for all typefaces and designs. If you are new here, I'm so excited to have you join me today. Alright, let's get started by finding some design inspiration for starters. First thing first, let's hit Pinterest. I'm going to search for cookie product design that stand out. Looking at these designs, I think I'm gonna go for the warm, cozy vibe or fresh cookies that still reflect something fun, playful, and eye-catching. When it comes to typography, I'm going for a playful display font that really matches the fun vibe of the cookie brand. It's all about making the text feel welcoming and light-hearted. As for the color palette, I want to make sure we're staying true to the product. We will use a rich, dark chocolate brown and a warm, creamy peach to reflect those delicious cookie colors. It's simple, yet really mouth-watering, right? Now, we have a general feel for the style we want. With that in mind, let's jump into Canva and start bringing this idea to life. First, we create a square-shaped Instagram post with a size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Next, we add cookie illustration in PNG format to make it easy to arrange. Then we need to change the size and position it in the center. Let's write cookies in blueberry font. Add the text "Sweet" in Angelina font with a size of 48 points. Put it above cookies to create a cohesive look. Remember, typography is essential for creating an eye-catching design. We add a rectangle in the bottom half to cover half of the cookie's image. To make it more uniform, set the element tone to a brown comparable to the cookies. Change the color of puff text to an appropriate brown. Include a wavy circle element to add an accent to the half-cover cookie image. Adjust the size and then crop. Set the color to white. Group both elements, increase their size a bit, and move them to the lower part. We may alter the brown here if it seems weird or does not go well with the other elements. To add an accent, use the public sans-bold font in bubble text. This could be used to convey a promotional message or a short tagline. We cannot modify the color of the previous bubble text, so let's create a new one. Then we can change the color and synchronize it with other design components. Use the Public Sans regular font to write a short description below it. Make sure the sentence is brief but informative. Change the background color to cream first. Add details such as contact information in the bottom part of the design. Additionally, we can add the address on the right side of the contact info. Next, we can add a chocolate chip element around it to add an accent. Adjust the position and give them a blur effect. Duplicate the element a few times and then make adjustments to the size to make it more playful and interesting. To give an accent to the background, let's add a pattern. Change the color to brown and reduce the transparency to make it subtler. After that, we duplicate this pattern and put it above the brown rectangle. Remember to adjust the layer position as shown below. Add a curved line element around the cookie illustration to add details and add dimension to the design. Now that we've completed the first post design, here's an important tip to keep in mind before we move on to the next one. Keep your Instagram post consistent in colors and font for a cohesive look in your feed. Let's maintain the cookie-inspired brown and cream tones for our designs. The next part is the design for the second post. Start by replacing the background with brown to create a visual variation. Add another cookie image and position it in the center as the main focus of the design. Copy the details of contact and address from the first design and paste them into the second one to maintain the consistency of information. Let's add a gradient effect to the background to add a more dynamic vibe. Below the cookies images, add a shadow effect to make them more prominent, and then group the elements to lock the position. Add the rating Yummy using the blueberry font and position it behind the cookies images. Copy the wavy circle element from the first design, alter the size and color, and put it on the right side of the cookies. Add a circle and change the outline to white. Add a promotional text in the circle. Let's ensure that the text is readable and appealing to the audience. Add a text limited over on the left side of the design to maintain visual harmony as well as emphasize promotion exclusivity. Below it, add information about the promotion time period. It adds a sense of urgency for the audience. And now, we copy the curved line element from the first design and add this design as an additional detail. Next, we move to the last post design. We start by changing the background to white. Add a cookie image in this design, and of course, position it in the center. Give a shadow effect in the cookie to add dimensions. Copy this effect to other parts of the cookie's image, and then group all of the elements to lock the position. Now, we add an organic shape element and change the color to brown, giving a harmonious accent to the design theme. Copy the contact info and address from the previous design and paste it in this design. Also, let's not forget to adjust the color to maintain readability. After that, copy the title text in the first design and change the text to premium quality choco chips. Make some alteration to the color and the size. Add a thumb element as a new accent. As usual, adjust the size and the color. Lastly, make sure that the use of brown color in the design is eye-catching and in harmony. And at last, don't forget to save all the designs. Alright, we've done it. Here's the final design. Check out the mock-up. Doesn't it look great? This is exactly the kind of post that will make your cookie brand pop on Instagram. The combination of warm colors, playful fonts, and a touch of creativity really brings the design to life. If you want to recreate this design, I have provided a Canva template in the description box below. Simply click the link to get started making your own cookie masterpiece. Keep in mind, however, that some of the elements I use here are not available in the free version. You will be able to modify this template, but some parts may display a watermark. So, feel free to test it out and see how it works for you. Before I go, what kind of design would you like me to create next? Drop your request in the comments. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out my other design tutorials because there are many things to learn and create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing and bye!